In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Telegram light theme. This is a quick and simple process that will change your Telegram interface from dark mode to a brighter, lighter appearance. Whether you prefer light themes for daytime use or just want a cleaner look, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once the app loads, look for the menu icon in the top left corner. It looks like three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Tap on that menu icon to open the navigation drawer. This will reveal several options including your profile, contacts, and various settings. From the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize your Telegram experience. Once you're in settings, look for the option that says General Settings and tap on it. This section contains various display and interface options for your Telegram app. In the General Settings menu, you'll see different theme options available. Look for the option labeled Light Theme and select it by tapping on it. As soon as you tap on Light Theme, your Telegram interface will immediately switch to the light color scheme. The background will become brighter, text will adjust for better readability, and the overall appearance will change to a lighter aesthetic. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Telegram to light theme. The changes are applied instantly and will remain until you decide to switch to a different theme. If this video helped you customize your Telegram experience, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more quick tutorials like this.